What to do if your smoke alarm is making a chirping sound? If your smoke alarm is making a chirping sound, it usually indicates that the batteries need to be replaced. Here are some steps you can follow to address the issue. Locate the smoke alarm. Find the smoke alarm that is making the chirping noise. Smoke alarms are typically installed on ceilings or high on walls. Use a stepladder. If the smoke alarm is out of reach, use a stepladder to safely access it. Turn off power. If your smoke alarm is hardwired into your electrical system, you may need to turn off the power to the alarm circuit at your circuit breaker panel before proceeding. This step is essential for safety. Remove the cover. Smoke alarms usually have a cover that can be removed. Carefully detach the cover to access the battery compartment. Replace the batteries. Take out the old batteries and replace them with fresh ones. Most smoke alarms use 9-volt batteries, but some use A or AA batteries. Refer to the user manual for your specific alarm to confirm the correct battery type. Test the alarm. After replacing the batteries, press the Test button on the smoke alarm to ensure it's functioning correctly. It should sound a loud alarm to indicate that the batteries have been replaced successfully. Reset and reassemble. If the alarm continues to chirp after replacing the batteries, you may need to reset it. Refer to the user manual for instructions on how to do this. Once reset, reassemble the smoke alarm. Turn power back on. If you turned off the power at the circuit breaker, remember to switch it back on. Monitor for chirping. Keep an eye and ear on the smoke alarm to make sure the chirping has stopped. If it continues, there may be other issues with